Dude.
We're white.
Why?
Oh my god.
Ow. Oh, dude, you can kind of see it. Look. It's beautiful.
I need to pee.
Dude. She's gonna go pee. Oh, dude, my nose. Look at my nose. It has a black dot on it. Dude, I look scary.
Can you even see me?
You see the background right there? That is my room.
That's her bed.
Whoop, whoop.
And this is my big head. I'm going to pee.
Goodbye.